We are back, and in today's video we have just had our stay in the Holiday Inn in Glasgow city centre. If you're new to the channel, click down below and click subscribe because you won't want to miss this. Let's go, guys. Now, as per guys, I'll start you off at the front door. You've got your locks, another lock, and your fire escape plan with a little peephole. Just next to that, slip in your key card and your lights go on as usual. And that there is the controls for your aircon. Now, into the room we go. And just whilst we start this tour, I want to say I really like the look of this room. It's really modern, a nice feel to it. But I'll take you around and show you some of the features. Now, just next to the bed, this little bedside table with a phone. You can call reception on that if you need to. Lamps, and above the bed, a huge mirror that follows the entire width of the wall. Amazing. Now, next to that is your wardrobe and luggage storage area. There's plenty of spaces here for you to put things. Inside one of them is your hairdryer and some towels. And down below, there's even more storage for your luggage. Now, inside this is a wardrobe where you'll find an ironing board and an iron. Oh, and there's also a safe as well, and your coat hangers. Lovely, nice modern feel to that. Now, there's the double bed itself. Just a standard double, does the job. And on the other side of the bed, there's another bedside table. There's a little sign here about soft or hard pillows, personal preference, and a double plug socket with double USBs again. Another nice lamp, and this nice little chair. We have tried it out and it's extremely comfy. I do like the curtains in here. They're really fitting for this room. Now, above this is some artwork, and it's of the Royal Concert Hall. Cool addition to the room. And just below is your tea and coffee station. Real cups, and they've not been stingy with the teas and coffee, guys. There's actually 6 coffees there and 4 tea bags. Can't complain there. Down below there's more storage and a bin. If I turn you around, there's the TV. Modern Samsung TV. Goes really well with the modern feel of this room. And just before I take you into the bathroom, there's some little signs here about your room cleaning and a greener stay. So next up, guys, we've got the bathroom. Oh, and whilst I turn around, I have spotted that is where your air conditioning system is. But yep, I'll take you into the bathroom now and show you what it's like in there. So just next to the entrance to the room is your bathroom. On the door, you'll see this massive mirror. There's no shortage of mirrors in Holiday Inns. I've noticed that. So when you come in the bathroom, again, you're greeted by another mirror and your sink area. A small, compact sink, but modern nonetheless. There are 2 cups, some complimentary toiletries, Dove, There's some ports for your shavers on the wall and some tissues just there. Now I'll close the door because it is actually a really small bathroom, but behind me here is the toilet itself, a really grubby looking bath mat and your towel roll. Just next to that there's a bath. I'll show you around there. There's some more complimentary toiletries. That is body wash and shampoo, and some space for your toiletries as well. Grab rail, tap, and up above there's also a shower. I did notice that the light fitting up here is slightly broken and the ceiling does have some cracks. Also the grout itself, a little grubby as well. This is the bathroom. It feels like to me it's not as up to date as the room itself, but it does tick those boxes. Make of that what you will. And there we have it, guys. That is the room tour done here at the Holiday Inn in Glasgow city centre. Now the question we like to ask is it rubbish or is it worth it? And based on this stay, we feel this room is absolutely worth it. This is the standard double and it was priced at £85. For what we've received, that is fantastic value for money. The location, absolutely perfect. Right in the centre of Glasgow, there's plenty to do all around. The room itself as well, it's got a really modern, sleek feel to it. We really like the decor in here. It just really adds to the feel of the room. However, the bathroom does let the room down a little bit. It just doesn't feel as up to date as the rest of the room. However, on our way up here in the elevator, we did see a sign that mentions the hotel is halfway through renovations. So I can let that slide. Completely understandable. Most importantly though, the room was clean. I'll show you something here. When you check in, you'll see this. It'll be sat on the bed. Well, I was sat in the bed when we came in anyway, but that just assures you that the room is going to be clean. Now, if you've seen our Premier Inn vlog, room tour of Premier Plus in Stirling, the hygiene in that room was horrendous. If you've seen it, you'll know what we're talking about. If not, I recommend you watch that. But yeah, you won't have any hygiene problems here. We certainly haven't. However, also on the wall, I will insert a clip just now. On the wall, we did see there is some kind of water damage or something like that in the room. Not actually sure what that's from. Nothing serious though. Staff here, we've not had a single problem. The facilities have been great. TV, perfect. Size of the room, it's quite small, but it does the job. For £85, we can't complain. This is one of your budget options and it's been great for us. So if you're looking for somewhere affordable in Glasgow city centre, don't sleep on the Holiday Inn because, as you've seen, it's been great. Let us know in the comments, what did you think? Was it rubbish or was it worth it? You decide. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, then click down below. Make sure you follow us for more content just like this. We've got lots of good vlogs coming up. As usual, please drop a thumbs up on the video. It really helps the channel grow. And from us here at Forest Thrills, Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.